Bike is here. Peacock is there. How cool is that?
Hey guys, what's up? Been a long time I haven't posted anything. Well, I'm on my way to change the front tire of the bike. Let me first get the tire changed and we'll then go for a short ride. Till then you guys enjoy some music. मैकजेलर का M5 कल फ़ोन पे बात किया था.
Look at the old tire, it's got loads of cracks in it. This is not some defect, but it's basically just because I'm not using the bike a lot. So after changing the tire, I was still excited to ride the bike. So I headed home, packed my tank bag with the DSLR, some snacks, and headed off into the unknown.
So guys, I changed the front tire. I've got a Metzeler M5 and at the rear I'm using a Pirelli Angel GT2. 1 second, I forgot to put my buckle on. Okay, so I changed the rear tire about 500 kilometers back, so that's pretty brand new. It was just the front tire which developed all these cracks, only because I wasn't riding, I guess. So I hadn't used my GoPro as well in a very long time, so I thought I'll just use it, and then since I'm turning it on, if we get some good content, we'll also upload a video. So just going out for a short ride now. Let's see where the road takes us. We've got pretty bad weather. The forecast says thunderstorms and I'm pretty sure it's gonna rain. चलो यार, अरे किधर पार्क करते लोग, सही जगह पे लगाते हैं. कब सुधरेगा अपना देश. So yeah, I had a slight disconnect with the bike. I wasn't enjoying riding the bike much, but got the bike back in good shape now. Changed a couple of parts, a couple of bearings. The oil seal was leaking, the fork oil seal, so got that done. So just turning on the engine and keeping it on in a lockdown for a couple of minutes isn't good enough. The oil seal was leaking, like I mentioned. The tire started developing some cracks as well, so I had to change that. Whoa, check out the view. In fact, it's raining on this side of the mountain. It wasn't raining there. Should I wear my jacket? Let's see. So yeah, after changing the tire as well, the bike feels really nimble now. In fact, a couple of days back when I took the bike out for a ride, I felt like the front tire had an air leak or something. It was punctured because it was really heavy, but it turned out because of the front bearing, the cone set and the tire, a combination of these three things that had to be changed. The bike was feeling really heavy and lazy to move around, but now it feels a lot better. And yeah, good quality tires make a huge difference. Like right now the bike feels planted, literally planted. I can literally feel the bike gripping to the road. I think when I left a Benelli TNT 300 review, I had clocked about 32,000 kilometers, and I think that video is almost a year old now. It's what, 35,000 kilometers in 1 year? Whoa, 35,000 kilometers in 1 year. That means just 3,000 kilometers thanks to COVID. Yeah, in fact, I had plans of even selling the bike and upgrading, but then I said, you know what, COVID is here with us, it's going to stay for a long time, and then the last thing I want is to get a brand new bike and not be able to use it because of lockdowns. So I'll wait for a year or two, let's see, and then upgrade. Got a couple of bikes in mind, let's see how that works out. And then I decided to keep this bike. The only reason being, I realized it a little later, the best time to own a Benelli is after the warranty is over. Like literally, can you imagine it? I don't have to service the bike as per the company guidelines. 6 months, like 6 months is already up, I haven't serviced my bike. Just changed a couple of parts, not changed the air filter, nothing, no oil filter, nothing, and the bike is just awesome. Like, look at the Triumph Trident, for example. Like, I don't want to compare bikes, but think about it. They're letting you ride the bike for 16,000 kilometers. 16,000 kilometers is the service interval. So it just goes to show, if you've got good oil and if your bike is good, you don't need to service it every 6,000 kilometers or 6 months. Okay, so we've reached the small village of Saswad. In fact, this was a village. It's more like another city now. Things have changed there a lot. The road to Veer Dam, not going all the way over there. I just thought I'll see some wildlife. Wildlife meaning spot some peacocks and come back. Guys, so I don't know if you can hear me. The mic is off. I'm just recording this audio on the Gopro now.
Sorry, I had to do a voiceover. The audio was really bad there. I guess what I was trying to say is that I was just entering the peacock habitat. This is where I normally spot peacocks, so I was just trying to drop my pace so that I could show you guys what I normally see over here.
I was just going to go, but you see that tree in the front over there? There's one sitting right in the bush. That's a huge peacock right over there. इधर है मेरा DSLR.
Since this guy wasn't ready to pose for the camera, I decided to go a little further, but turned out I was surprised by what I saw next.
I can hear these guys everywhere, but they're all in the fucking little bushes. I've just spotted a deer. I don't think I'm going to be able to capture it. Let's see. Really quick, okay?
I don't get a good shot from here, so I just move a little ahead to get a better angle.
Hopefully we get a shot of them. There.
So spotting a couple of deer here was a real bonus. I mean, I see deer quite often in and around Pune, but not in this area specifically. So that was a real surprise. Anyways, I headed back to the first spot where I sighted the first peacock to see if that guy changed his mind and if he wanted to come in front of the camera.
Got the bike here and I see a peacock right in the front over there. There's the bike stable here.
This was the first time I captured a peacock dance on camera. Now watching this with your own eyes is a completely different experience. If you guys plan to do something similar to this, remember these are wild animals and birds. Keep your distance, give them their space and enjoy nature. That's it.
Tires are awesome. Enjoying the bike now. GoPro is still working absolutely fine. This tank bag is pretty useful. It's a 28-liter tank bag in case you guys are interested in buying it. Not yet tested it on the highway. I still have to ride above 120 and see if it's stable or not. But anyway, it's metallic tank, so shouldn't be an issue.